Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. So I'm currently trying to get my house as clean as possible. There are quite a few tough stains around the house in all different places that I really want to lift. So what I love about this cleaning paste is it's really good for stains, but you can use it indoors, you can use it outdoors, you can use it on all different surfaces, and it does the job really well. It comes in a really good size pot, so this is 850 grams, that's 30 ounces. I'm probably going to use it all, I'm not going to lie, like I'm on a big mission. But yeah, it's really good. I'm going to show you now how well it works. So I love how great this is at removing stains, and I love that you can use it both indoors and outdoors. It has like a really nice texture to it as well, and even though it is pink, it doesn't leave like any pink marks anywhere. It cleans really well, even super stubborn stains. So this is one of my favourite products by The Pink Stuff. So those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.